What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play Telepatía by Uchis on the good old uke. As always, the full ukulele play along for this song is already live on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description below, also link in the top of the description. That video consists of the lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. And trust me, you definitely want to go check out that video because I had to sing in Spanish and it ain't that great. But again, I would love your support. Just be like, Ricky, you sing so great in Spanish, even though I'm lying. No, I'm just kidding. But you can check it out if you want. Alright, so let's dive into these chords. Luckily for us, this song only has 4 chords, and as always, I will have a visual representation of where I need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see it and then also have me talk you through it. So, the first chord that we need is the B7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is, you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Awesome. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the bottom string, which is the 1st string. So 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the G major 7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string on the 2nd fret. So again, it's the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st on the 2nd fret. And what I like to do sometimes is I like to take my middle finger and I like to kind of just press on top of the pointer finger just so you have more of pressure on the strings. And it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all 4 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song, coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use for the entire song. And the chord progression is just the sequence of chords that you're going to repeat throughout the entire song. So it's basically like the entire structure of the song. So once you memorize the chord progression, you have the entire song memorized. So let's jump right into it. So the chord progression is going to be G major 7, B7, E minor, and then G. So again, it's going to be G major 7, B7, E minor, and then G. So as soon as you have that memorized, you have the entire structure down. And now let's go ahead and learn the strumming pattern that you can use for this song coming up next. Alright, so we talked about the chords, the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we play this song with the strumming pattern. As always, I'm going to teach you 2 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't want to add a strumming pattern into the song. I love the song. I'm just getting used to the chords. Please don't add a strumming pattern. I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. No strumming pattern. I got you. So the first way that we can play this song is going to be with a down strum. So as soon as you see a chord change, just strum down, and then it'll sound just as amazing. And as always, I will have the full chord sheet that you can download for yourself, save it on your laptop computer, phone, wherever you save things. That will be on Patreon. Patreon is a monthly subscription service, so if you have any value or had any value from any of the videos that I posted here on YouTube, I can't speak, that will be linked in the description below on Patreon, also link in the top of the comments. Again, click the link, it'll take you to Patreon. It's a $5 or less monthly subscription service, and you have access to a lot of things that you can't get here on the YouTubes. But again, the full play along also does have the lyrics and chords on screen, and that is free for you on YouTube. Everything will be linked below. But again, you're just going to do a down strum whenever you see a chord change. Alright, so the second way that we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and again I'll have the chord progression on screen so you can know exactly what chord is going to come next. But the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this one is going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So I have the G major 7 chord down, and again we'll slow that down. It's going to be down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. So again, G major 7, and let's just go through the entire chord progression. So G major 7 in 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up, B7, E minor, and then G. So again, you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. And again, just as a repeat and a little reminder, it's just going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. So as soon as you do everything together, I'll just do a little play along of the chord progression in 3, 2, 1. And again, that strumming pattern will be on screen. You do it once for every chord, and it will sound absolutely amazing. I also did want to quickly give a shout out to Enya Ukulele for making absolutely amazing ukes. This is the orange Enya Nova U ukulele. It's a concert size, and as you can see, I'm definitely a fan of these types of ukes. The series is absolutely amazing. It's like a thin-bodied carbon fiber uke with a sound hole at the top, has a really cool Enya logo design in the front, and it's just absolutely amazing. The color is just, I mean, it's awesome. Again, I have red, black, and blue. They also do have it in pink, white, and I believe another color as well. So definitely go make sure to check out the link in the description below for the Amazon page where you can go get this. It's also super affordable, well under $100, and you do get some awesome uke accessories with it. So highly recommend Enya ukuleles, especially the carbon fiber Enya Nova U series. Absolutely amazing, and the color is just, it's just amazing. So thank you so much, Enya, for making an awesome uke. Alright, so we learned the chords, the chord progression, and a couple different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Telepatía, I cannot say it without singing it, by Uchis on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you just have recently subscribed to this channel, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes in my opinion. Thank you so much for hitting that red subscribe button and joining the Uke fam and the Potato Squad. Also, what I do want to note is that all the links for everything that I've mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below. Make sure to open the description. Links to the uke that I was playing, which is the Enya Nova U concert uke, to links to the merch, which I'm currently wearing, the Uke fam hoodie. Absolutely amazing. Also links to all of my socials, which is just going to be right up top here. Also, it'll take you directly, the links will take you to the socials that you want to go to. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon. It's all going to be at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to tag me on anything if you learn any songs, if you get the merch, if you get my signature uke, which also will be linked down below. I would absolutely love you if you tag me so I can share them to the rest of the Uke fam. So thank you so much for all the support. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.